energy you love. Fill your empty cup.
It is early morning in Minneapolis. Inhale. Exhale. Look around you, where you're sitting, where you were a few moments ago, where you will be in a few moments from now. What can you smell? What sounds can you hear? Tell me, what is the thought in your mind like right now? Right now. And what are you wearing? What fabric is it made of? Can you run your hands over it and tell me if it reminds you of something? Come, sit with me here on this bench. I'm sitting here all by myself all morning on my favorite bench along with this gracious lake, this large body of water. And do you smell that? Yeah, that is the smell of spring. Ice, cold ice is just beginning to trickle into water. How carefully it changes from soft snow, crunchy ice, cold puddle to just water. So versatile. Birds will soon start chirping on naked trees and the snow in the nests is starting to melt. Seasons change and it is always so reassuring to know that spring will come. It wasn't always like this, I was so new here once, so full of dreams. I thought I was wrapped in a sweet blanket of care, love, emotion, but so lonely. On a visa, oh yeah, the damned visa, so dependent on someone else, so not me. Oh, just like the long dark winter, homeless with a dry concrete roof above my head. It is on this bench, watching this gracious lake, that I built my own home and kept winter out. Spring is the celebration of me. Oh yeah, back home, this moment on the bench is that moment just before a festival. In fact, the night before a festival, the smell of that brand new frock my mother would stitch for me, or the one that we would buy at a market on a family shopping day. There was also that smell of ghee, that mixed with sweets, biryani, cookies and whatnot. The night before a big festival was the best. It was just that moment when the big event was yet to arrive, but in anticipation I would close my eyes shut tight to fall asleep, because tomorrow is when the hustle and bustle of family and friends and neighbors and gardens and birds and pets and pigeons and everyone joined in this celebration. That celebration is spring. And spring is me. वसंत ऋतू झाडांच्या फांद्यांमधनं आणि कणाकणातनं उभारणारा हा वसंत ऋतू. I'm all set with my new frock, my petticoat and my tiny new gold earrings. The smell of fresh grass is just waiting to sprout. I can feel it, the shoots of leaves that are solemnly asleep inside little pores within the twigs and branches of these naked trees. Those little leaves, that hope is me. Even though the trees are still naked and frozen, the lake may be frozen and lifeless, but I can see it. It is that night before the festival. It is that hope before those leaves spring out of these trees. The sun brings warmth, it brings color. Winter brings cold, blacks and whites and grays, but blacks and whites are also colors, no? Once upon a time I was so alone that I could hear my own heartbeat, the sound of my own breath, and now I can hear yours too. You sitting here right next to me on this bench that we call home. I can hear the heartbeats of the million other lives waiting to be born over and over again, just like I did and I will do. Winter is gone. I am still here. I am spring.